Kakotloloho ho tswa Studio 10 Auckland Park, Johannesburg. Re utlwisitse kgaso ya ditaba ka puo ya Sesotho. Fela pele re kana ho tsona re tla lekola tse itlhomeng pele.
The rising oil prices will definitely come through and affect us.
Mokomishenara ya Ditaba wa SARS le ngaka Edward Kisvater o re Afrika Borwa jwalo ka dinaha tse ding tsa lefatshe e tlo thefulwa ke ntwa ya botjhabela bo hare.
The disease burden index globally is actually on the rise.
Kaoleleng Discovery Life e re e lefa tjhelete e ngata bakeng sa ditho tsa yona tse phelang ka lebaka la bohloko ba mofetshe.
Madima ba yona ko gore ba excavate le ba bula borela jola ba exposed.
Metsi a sa hlwekang Limpopo a beha maphelo a baahi ka mosing. Madume ho lona bohle babohi ba khabari ba tshebeletso ena ya mantlha SABC 2 le SABC le hae re malala laotso ho hasetsa ditaba ka jeno ke na le mosebetsi mmoho e leng Mphotime. Mokomishenara ya beha meja fatshe wa SARS ngaka Edward Kisvater o re diphephetso tsa oli ho tswa dinaheng tse botjhabela bo hare di tlo ba le kgahlamelo e busula ho Afrika Borwa. Kisvater o na tsetlela baqolotsi ba ditaba puo ka jeno mo a neng a tsebisa mahlahlami wa hae e leng ngaka Johnson Ngqobani Makhubu ya tlang ho qala mosebetsi mathwasong a kgwedi e tlang.
Pejana bekeng ena lefapha la matlotlo le imollotse bareki dithekong tsa mafura mme mokomishenara wa SARS ngaka Kisvater o re mohato ona o tlo theola kgatello hanyane ho Afrika Borwa.
Our reliance on the Middle East is very low. We have a 1% trade volume of our total trade with the world that is dependent on Israel and Iran. But what is true is that, like the rest of the world, we are also reliant on the oil flow from the Middle East, about 80% reliance on that, and so it will impact our oil flow. And secondly, the rising oil prices will definitely come through and affect us. What we have seen the Minister of Finance do is take a decision to reduce that burden by the reduction of fuel levies for 1 month, and the month really is to give us time to understand how long and the severity and magnitude of this crisis.
Ngaka Makhubu a tlang ho qala kgweding e tlang o shebane le ho fihlella pehelo ya diranta tse di trilione tse 2.13 selemong se setjha sa ditjhelete le ha empa maemo a moruo a bonala a ena le diphephetso.
Fuel levies are penciled in at 104 billion for this financial year in terms of total collections. It has been modeled that the 1 month relief is going to cost around 6 billion rands. It is expected that that would be cost neutral, suggesting that that 6 billion rands will have to come from somewhere. And we do expect that we may be asked to work extra hard to get that in. In terms of, you asked about as well, what are we looking to? There's 2.13 trillion in this year that we need to be able to collect. So Commissioner Kisvater leaves us with a challenge of 2.13 trillion that we need to be able to collect. And already you have those headwinds that are already starting to loom around.
Ngaka Makhubu o na le dilemo tse robong e le setho sa komiti ya naha ya SARS le ho ba modulasetulo wa ditshebeletso tsa komiti ditabeng tsa lekgetho le ditifiso tsa lekgetho madibohong.
Tonakgolo North West Lazarus Makhosi o go bomasepala ba province ho kenyeletswa le masepala wa Ditsobotla o mathateng ba tla fumana tshehetso ya leano la kgodiso le tshetsopele ya province.
Masepala wa selegae wa Ditsobotla ke sesupo sa go phutlhama ga tsamaiso le thebolelo ya ditirelo le go retelelwa ke go dirisa ditšhono sentle.
The town should be a growth town compared to Rustenburg or Matlosana or JB Marks, but it is not happening. It's the area in the country with the highest yield of maize per hectare in the country. Secondly, the highest yield of cattle per hectare in the country. And thirdly, they've got 5 or 7 cement factories. I've stopped counting the amount of cement factories, but the town isn't working.
Puso ya province ya re lenaane leno le thusitse go tokafatsa masepala ono.
I've pronounced that the Department of Public Works will be ring-fencing funds, will get into the Tsobotla to assist with maintenance of roads. We have also collaborated and included the farming communities who are saying we are prepared to come and work with government. The Northwest Cooperation also has come in and said we also want to become part of what we are doing. The Department of Economic Development will also be assisting with solid waste management in the Ditsobotla.
Sentle English, SABC News, Lichtenburg.
NSFAS se lotse ka bohale ka mora hore raporoto ya mohlahlobi e moholo wa dibuka e bontsha ha lefeletse dithuto tsa baithuti ba 800 ba ho latela direkoto tsa lefapha la merero ya selehae e leng bafu.
Selemo se seng le se seng baithuti ba etsa dikopo ho lekala la thuso ya ditjhelete tsa baithuti molemong wa thuso ya ditjhelete o lefella ditifiso tsa bona tsa thuto. Le ha ho le jwalo ba bang ba fumana thuso empa ba bang ha ba tle.
That money could have been redirected to ensure that it finds its position with this youth that is either unemployed, that has passed matric, but is not able to get admission because they don't have funding. It's absolutely irresponsible.
This also highlights the irregularity or the flaws within the system and also coordination within government and institutions of higher learning as well.
Mekgatlo e meng ya baithuti e hlahisitse ngongoreho e kgolo mabapi le taba ena.
It's extremely worrying. It speaks to the administrative and the governance challenges that the entity would have had.
Lefapha la thuto e phahameng le re le batla ho bona molao o nka bohato kgahlano le lekala lena.
It cannot be that at this day and age people should just get away with things and we should be following and we should still be complaining and things just continuing and continuing. There has to be somewhere where we stop the road.
Lekala lena ha le nka ba la fumaneha hore le arabele ditlaleho tsena.
Beso mokgahlelo kwa bobedi re boetse gela amola ditabeng tsa Sesotho. Le serile letjha le bontsha go mofetse o di hula ka setlogo mafung a matla le dikopong tsa ditjhelete tsa mafu. Dipalopalo tsa dikopo tse ntjha tsa Discovery Life di bontsha hore dipersente tse 65 tsa diranta tse dibilione tse 11.5 ile fuwe ditho tsa yona tse ntseng di phela.
Dipalopalo di senola rekotsi e kgolo ka ho fetisisa ya ditjhelete ha isa le lefu empa ke mahloko a tshwarang batho. Discovery Life e re le ha mofetse e ne le sesosa se ka sehlong sa dikopo tsa ditjhelete bohloko ba pelo le methapo ya madi di ka sehlong ha jwale.
The disease burden index globally is actually on the rise. I think what we really are seeing on the positive side of things is that through being proactive and looking at early interventions, your outcomes can be so much better, and we are starting to see that. Last year was an unbelievable year in that respect. We saw that our most engaged clients, so those are clients who are engaging in the Vitality program and are reaching the highest statuses of gold and diamond vitality status, had a 73% lower mortality rate in 2025 compared to clients who weren't engaging or who weren't on the program. And we saw the same in the morbidity space, where it was a 47% lower morbidity rate.
Discovery Life e re 52% ya ditefo tse yang ho ditho tsa yona ha di ntse di phela e totobatsa diphetho tse kgolo.
Baahi ba motsaneng wa Mafefe ka ntlanyana ho leboa kgomo Limpopo ba tobane le kotsi ya metsi a noka ao ba sebedisetsang ho nwa le ho pheha a dukeileng ke asbestos.
Projeke eo e tlogetsego ya marela motseng wa Mafefe e tlogetse matlapa le digare tša marela pepeneneng le go bea maphelo a batho kotsing. Marela a ile ditšwe ka mo Afrika Borwa ka ga hlola malwetši a maswafo le kankere. Diepia tša marela di be di tšweletša ditlhaka tša marela, mathupo a metsi le didirišwa tše dingwe ga e šita le go meago ka ge marela a sa tshungwe ke mollo. Khamphane ya laboratory ya Assure Cloud e tšere metsi a noka ya mohlapitse le ngwaname le go a dira diteko fao e hweditšego gore a kgotletšwe ka marela.
Projeke ya mamadudu ka bophara ene ga eme badudi ba motse wa Mafefe ba nnoši. ke project e o e tlhagago ka kua gare ga Ditaba madimabe ba yona ko gore ba excavate le ba bula borela jola ba exposed maloba le maabane le bone gore re bile le dipula tša mafula tšeo di gogilego borela jola bo tšhetšeng ka gare ga di-stream tša dinoka di tšhetše ka gare noka tšeo e le gore ke stream seo se nago ke setšhaba ka moka sa mafefe.
Kgoši Thobejane o re projeke ye ka go le lengwe e šwahlotšwe ke batho bao ba lekago go ikgola ka dikontraka le go thwalana ka sepitša.
Mokhanselara rena ka 2023 a tsene ka gare ga ditaba tša fraud le corruption a le ka gare ga hlakorile lerong la molao go feleletša mokgatlo wa gabo mo laela gore a tlogele ofisi ka baka la mokgwa wa step aside. Now 2 years down the line ge ba etla go tla gore fa project e o nyarela a swere list a bontšha gore o tšo hira batho mo re sa tseba gore ba hirile kae.
Badudi ba re ba tšhogela maphelo a bona ka ge Marela a tlogetšwe pepeneneng le go tsena ka dinokeng.
Ba ile ba tla ba mahlale ba leka go bokhupetša jalo le gone re a tlabega ba buile ba epile gape borela bo nyaretše molaleng boela le metsi ngwana mešhele a e bona e rwele borela e tšhela ka nokeng ya mohlapisi
ge tlhago ka mokgwa wa moya o fihla e tšea ribajo ya bopalakanya le setšhaba ge tlhago e tla ka mokgwa wa pula e tšea ribajola ya bopalakanya ka mokgwa wa gwela wa ya setšhabeng jwale e re amile kudu.
Badudi ba mafefe ba ipeletša go mmušo wa bosetšhaba go tsenya letsogo go netefatša gore projeke ye e tšwela pele ba re ka go le lengwe ba ile go tšwela pele go leba kgorongkgolo ya tsheko go gapeletša kgoro ya diminerale go tšwetša pele projeke ye le go šireletša badudi. Nna ke Koketšo Motau wa ditaba tša SABC mafefe.
Tse ding tsa digaraje tsa mafura kwano Gauteng di hloka mafura mo Pretoria ho nang le bakganni ba ileng ba khusetswa morao. Digaraje di bile le kgatello mo bakganni ba neng ba reka mafura ka bongata pele ho nyollwa ditheko ka la pele kgweding ena.
The South African Insurance Association is warning the public about the serious safety, environmental and insurance risks linked to storing petrol at home. Petrol is classified as a hazardous substance under the Occupational and Fire Safety legislation. It is highly flammable, ignites easily, and can cause serious fires or explosions.
We would like to assure South Africans that fuel supplies in the country remain stable and the current dry fuel stations are a result of logistics constraints due to panic buying and fuel hoarding.
Mebile meholo e kenyeletsang N1 hammoho le R71 profenseng ya Limpopo e le Bamboria botjhabela Polokwane ebile le maemo a kgutsitseng a sephethephethe ka jeno empa laolo jwalo ho lebelletswe hore se phahame hosane ka ha bongata bo tla khutla matsatsing a phomolo.
Leborogo la dipalangwa la Polokwane le amogela dipalopalo tse kwa tlase tsa dilori le dibese. Bathati ba pharakano ba rotloetsa ba ya maeto go obamela melawana ya pharakano le pabalesego fa ba boela kwa mafelong a a farologaneng ka paka ya malatsi a Paseka.
It's our final phase of this Easter holiday or weekend. What we're going to do from Sunday, the focus changes again. We're looking at the N1, we're looking at N11 and many other major roads. In the main, our biggest fear, Katlego, is that fatigue. People are going to be celebrating, they're celebrating now and they're not resting. And they would want to take up the wheel and go back to Gauteng and many other areas.
Setlamo sa dibese Patco sa re setlhopha sa sone sa dibese di feta makgolo a matlhano se gorogile kwa Boyne.
We've successfully operated the first leg of our ZCC Moria operation without any accidents. This milestone reflects our unwavering commitment to passenger safety and operational excellence. We extend our sincere appreciation to the Department of Transport and Community Safety, as well as all stakeholders that have contributed to ensuring a successful operation. As we move into the second leg, PATCO remains focused on executing a safe, efficient and road safety compliant journey.
Diphuthego di solofetse go boela gae ka Sontaga thapama mo kelelo ya pharakano e tlile go tlhatlogela kwa godimo. Ke Katlego Nyoni wa dikgang tsa SABC Polokwane.
Sehlopha sa Marumo Gallants se entse qeto e tiileng tweng ya sona kgahlano lo lahlehelwa ke maemo moo se kgethileng Jamil Benwahi e le mokotlisi ya ka sehlohong ka morao ho tloha ha Alexandre Lafitte. Gallants e bapetse dipapadi tse 12 empa ha e so hlole le ha e le nngwe ya tsona.
Benwahi o re o tsepamisitse maikutlo sehleng sena le ho nka papadi e nngwe le e nngwe e le ya bohlokwa.
To talk about what I've seen the last 3 days or 4 days, that's the energy is very positive and the response of the player is just amazing. So that gives us a lot of hope and positivism for the next game. So we're gonna play game by game. It's the situation. We still have like 8 games, 8 finals. Also the 2 games, the opponents of the 2 next games make them like more important. Even if it's every game is important at the end because 3 points. But these 2 games against the direct, opponents in the ranking make them like more intense and more important.
A sebetsa le bathusi ba hae o na le tshepo e tiileng ya katleho.
Honestly, just to be honest with you, because I have been in such situations before in biggest club with more pressure, and we coped very well with this kind of situation. So I have this experience, and also our club has this experience because I think the last season also we have been in this situation, and we have this experience of fighting this kind of situations. So that's a big plus for us as well.
Marumo Gallants e tsepamisitse maikutlo tabeng ya hore e seke ya tswa ho Betway Premiership.
Mohi hopolo ke kopanya le rona ho social media ka re a fumaneha ho Facebook ka Ditaba dikgang _ ho X re teng ka @ditaba _ dikgang lo pesa ditabeng tsa rona ka video ya WhatsApp mme o ka subscribe ho YouTube ya rona e leng SABC Ditaba _ dikgang. Midibila hakalo tsa kajeno boela o kopana le rona hape nakong e tlang fela o sane moifo Setswana o tla ba teng ho neletsa tsona kwano SABC 2 le SABC le hae bule bua latela fonaneng.